Are you having trouble ignoring your current reality when you're using the law of assumption? Ignoring your current reality is one of the most challenging aspects of using the law of assumption. But today, I'm going to share with you the secret to ignoring your current reality using the law of assumption with two very powerful techniques. So come on, let's go. What's up, everyone? My name is David. This is Lightways, your hub for all things spiritual awakening. Picture this. You're desperately wanting financial freedom, but all you see in your life is living paycheck to paycheck. Maybe stuck in a job that you hate, or maybe you are desperately wanting to be with your special person, but all you see in your reality is separations and hurt feelings. Well, what if I told you what you're actually seeing is not your current reality? What you're actually seeing are the manifestations of past thoughts and beliefs, the thoughts, assumptions, or beliefs of yesterday, last week, or last month, because there's always a time delay for when the vibrational equivalent of our beliefs show up. Now, before I get into the two powerful steps, which are the secret to ignoring your current reality, I want to expound just a bit on what I've said so far so that it really lands for you, so that you understand what you're seeing in your current reality is really the product of your old self-perceived identity or old story. So in the past, maybe before you discovered my YouTube channel, did you see yourself as small, powerless, weak, financially challenged, or struggling in your relationships? Well, the old self-perceived identity is showing up because you haven't changed your old self-perceived identity. You're giving conscious awareness to that old self-perceived identity or that old story. And I always say self-perceived because your true identity is whole, perfect, and complete because you are the divine having a physical experience. But your ego, your social programming, your perceived circumstances, your religious indoctrination, your friends and family will all tell you a different story. And the universe says, and so it is. I'm broke, and so it is. I'm weak, and so it is. I'm a dirty sinner, and so it is. I'm unlovable, and so it is. I'll never get out of this mess, and so it is. This is the mirror principle. The universe is never going to disagree with your self-perceived identity, or said more simply, the universe will never disagree with your story. So now that you understand that, let's dive deeper into the secret of ignoring your reality when using the law of assumption by understanding this first powerful step. This is a consciously aware universe. We live in a soup of conscious energy, and we are conscious creative centers. Energy flows where attention goes. Well, what is attention? Awareness. So if the universe always mirrors back to you your awareness, then what you remain aware of will persist in your physical reality. When you're aware of your old story, it's like you're making a roll call in your life, right? Financial hardship. Here, broken heart. Here, anxiety. Here, low energy. Here. Stop making a roll call for the usual suspects in your life or calling roll for your old story. Why not say financial abundance here, unconditional love here, happiness, joy, peace here, your miracle, it showed up. Here I am. Do you feel the shift in energy within you when you speak like that? But you say, wait a second, David, are you telling me that the secret to ignoring your current reality is to simply not give awareness to it? Dude, number one, I've heard that a million times in all of these law of assumption videos. Number two, that's easier said than done because you can't simply ignore what's right in front of your face. I got you, Light Fam. Here is the second powerful tip to ignoring your current reality. You've probably already heard the secret to ignoring your current reality is to not react to it. But something that I don't hear a lot of other videos talk about is how to not react. Here's the secret to not reacting to your current situation. You disown it. Remember in my last video, the secret to feeling it real, which you can go watch right here after you watch this video, of course. I stated that ownership of your desires was how you quantumly entangle yourself to that desire. Well, the opposite is true. That which you don't want, you disown. This is detachment. A lot of people ask me, how can I detach? You disown it. Subtract your ownership from it. When the manifestations of that old story show up, you say, nope, that's not mine. Don't identify with what you're seeing in your current reality. What you're seeing are the manifestations of the old you. And guess what? They don't make that model anymore. When you don't identify as it or claim ownership of it, it's much easier to not react to it. This takes all of the emotional charge out of it. And let's look at that word emotional. Emotion, energy in motion. Well, if all of your energy in motion is going in the direction of your old identity through your conscious ownership of it, then your old story will continue to show up because you've energetically made it yours. You've quantumly entangled yourself with it by owning it. However, disowning it gives you the pause you need to debunk the fear associated with what you are seeing in your current reality. And what is pause? Not reacting. Not reacting allows you to consciously choose a new story. I am blown away by how fast money comes to me. I am completely speechless at how my special person has done a complete 180 and now values our relationship. I am constantly amazed at how the universe is always working in my favor. So disowning the initial reaction to what you're seeing in your current reality gives you time to choose a different belief. And through the mirror principle, the universe will always mirror back to you your belief. Now, guys, I was really struggling with wrapping my brain around how to feel it real using the law of assumption until I discovered two very powerful cheat codes. So if you're struggling with how to feel it real and you want those cheat codes, go watch this video right here. If you want a deep dive in how to master the law of assumption, go watch this video right here. And if you found value in this video, please subscribe. It really helps us small YouTube channels out. And I will see all of you guys in the next video. Peace.